How to remove dashboard on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on three lines at the top right. Then simply scroll down and click on Creator Tools and Controls, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, you'll find an option which is Access Dashboard from your profile. Simply turn it off. After you turn it off, dashboard will be removed from your Instagram. This is how to remove dashboard on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.